Hello there. You are listening to the Season 5, Episode 5 of Freyr Regulatory Radio, Consumer, where we are delving into a crucial aspect of cosmetic product regulation, safety substantiation, specifically as it applies under the USA MoCRA regulations. I'm your host, Vishwajit Mohan, and we'll explore the ins and outs of this topic. So, let's begin by understanding what MoCRA is and its significance. MoCRA, standing for the Modernization of Cosmetics Regulations Act, is a new regulation that defines the entity responsible for placing products in the USA market as the responsible person whose name should appear on the product label. This responsible person is tasked with maintaining a copy of the safety report for every product placed in the US market to be submitted to the health agency, which is the US FDA, upon request. The primary purpose of any regulation is to ensure that products are safe for their intended applications and possess the necessary efficacy, utility, or fitness for purpose. Cosmetics, by their nature, are typically a blend of substances considered overtly safe. Traditionally, the onus of ensuring their safety has been on the manufacturer, brand owners, or distributors who place these products in the market. A significant shift in cosmetic regulation occurred in 2013 with the implementation of European cosmetic regulations, which mandated safety assessment reports, or cosmetic product safety reports. Now, a similar requirement has been implemented in the US, and, given its status as a major market, this regulatory change carries significant implications for the industry. Under US federal regulations, cosmetic safety isn't a new requirement. Even before MoCRA came into force, safety assessments of cosmetic products were supposed to be carried out, as outlined in 21 CFR Part 740. However, to what extent was this adhered to, remains a question. The safety of a cosmetic product is determined both at the product and raw material composition levels. Physiochemical, microbiological, and clinical testing data, along with usage directions and precautionary measures provided on product labels, support safety at the product level. However, it's essential to note that the safety of cosmetic products primarily depends on their raw materials, compositions, or ingredients, including impurities and their concentrations in the formulation. Raw materials are qualified based on documentation review, including composition, specifications, certificate of analysis, origin, and impurities declaration. Safety of individual ingredients is determined based on study data and scientific reviews available with the brand owner or from public sources. In the absence of required toxicological information, alternate approaches like quantitative structure-activity relationship or QSAR models, read across, in silico studies, or established history of safe use, may be utilized. Additionally, the safety of packaging materials must also be considered, as they can introduce impurities or contaminants into the product. The Cosmetic Ingredient Review Panel, or CIR, plays a significant role in evaluating cosmetic ingredient safety. While the FDA participates in CIR meetings, it does not vote, but considers CIR reviews when evaluating cosmetic ingredient safety. Another factor to consider is the ban on animal testing. While new testing cannot be carried out, data from tests conducted before the ban came into force can still be used. However, there are significant differences in regulations between regions, such as Europe and the US, which must be considered when assessing safety. Many companies placing products in the US market also have products in the European market, often with European safety assessment reports. While these reports may be useful, differences in regulations and definitions between regions require careful review and consideration. Additionally, variations in regulations extend to differences in coloring agents, preservatives, and other ingredients, as well as state-level regulations within the US to ensure free sale in all states. Implementing these new regulatory requirements in a major market like the USA is a significant challenge that requires proactive preparation. Taking a holistic approach to assess the entire product portfolio at once can expedite the process and ensure compliance. Our team has faced similar challenges while supporting large customers in transitioning to EU cosmetic regulation compliance and during regulatory audits for mergers and acquisitions. Taking a comprehensive approach to assess safety across the entire product portfolio streamlines the process and ensures thorough compliance. And with that, we've reached the end of today's episode and the season. Thank you for tuning in as we explored safety substantiation for cosmetic products under USA MoCRA regulations. Remember, proactive preparation and a holistic approach are key to navigating these regulatory changes effectively. Until next time, stay safe and stay compliant.